Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about whether Karnataka State Law University will be going to conduct examinations for 3 years LLB, especially E1 semesters. They are going to conduct or not. This is a big question mark for all Karnataka State Law University 3 years LLB students, those who have got promoted as per the court order. As per the Dharwad bench court order, 3 years LLB, even semesters exams have been promoted. But Karnataka State Law University, they have not accepted the order. They have gone for writ appeal in the division bench of High Court of Karnataka. So, as you all know, so far they have not given any notification, especially for the promotion for 3 years LLB students. They have not notified. They have only given the just sentence that Karnataka, Honorable High Court of Karnataka has given the order. So that is the reason we have cancelled the examinations. They have not been given the results. So meanwhile, they have got into the division bench. They are gone appeal in the division bench. So here, my advice is to all 3 years LLB students. What will happen? We do not know. If division bench give order against the Dharwad bench, then we have to write the examinations for even semesters. So if division bench has given the order in favor of Karnataka State Law University, we have to write the examination. So meanwhile, the students can able to approach or appeal to the Supreme Court. That is the only one remedy we can able to find out that against the order we can go appeal to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the final authority. We need to obey the order of Supreme Court. Whether Supreme Court will be going to give, we need to write the examination. Definitely, we need to write the examination. If Supreme Court will advise that Karnataka State Law University not to conduct examination on the basis of judgment or previous judgments, promote it means will get promoted. This is the scenario what at present we are facing, especially for 3 years LLB students. Whereas already 5 years LLB students have been written the examinations. Partially they have written the examinations. Many of the students have been boycotted. So what here the really we can able to see, due to inefficiency of Karnataka State Law University, all students are struggling and facing this problem, because we can damn sure that the courses will not complete it on time. To be sure, already 6 months, more than 6 months has already passed away for 5 years LLB and 3 years LLB. So if you continue like this, again the Bangalore, especially in Bangalore, lockdown have been imposed. Today we have received the notification from Karnataka State Law University saying that online classes will be made, especially for the Bangalore division. So because lockdown have been imposed, so no colleges or schools will be open till up to 19th of January. So they have given instruction to conduct the online mode. So this is how we are facing a lot of problems in the university. So I hope my advice is here is to please be prepare yourself. Self study and self preparation is the best remedy for to face this problem. So don't please too much depend upon colleges, too much depend upon university. So if we depend on too much, definitely will be going to failure. So there are continuous lockdowns will be happens. We may not know. So my advice is please be self prepared about your studies. Take a syllabus, take a important questions, make it answer it, and please be study about each syllabus. You need to cover it. So this is the only remedy we can able to score or we can able to pass in the LLB examinations. Situation is very bad. All of the students are in trouble. All of the students have been confused about the present scenario. What it is going on? 5 years LLB exam, 5 year LLB examinations have been done. 3 years LLB examination they'll be going to conduct again because Karnataka State Law University will be going to already made rate appeal in the division bench. So we cannot say what will be happen. So be ready for everything, my dear friends. This is how I have to bring notice to all our KSL students. Please be ready for everything. If you would like to find, if you would like to get justice, Supreme Court, we need to go appeal to the Supreme Court. That is the only final remedy we can able to get justice. I hope this video have been clarified about the present scenario, what 3 years LLB students are facing, whether Karnataka State Law University will be going to conduct examinations for 3 years LLB or not. So I have been clarified little bit. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty so that it will notify very good notifications for your LLB. Thank you.